Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix App Store stuck on loading screen problem on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First, make sure you have a stable and active internet connection, which is required for the App Store to work properly. Solution 1. Switch your network preference. If you're using Wi-Fi, try using mobile data, or you can do the vice versa. After this, first quit the App Store. Then reopen the App Store and try the search or install again. If you still have issues, try following the following process. Solution 2. Turn off the restriction. Open Settings. Scroll down, tap Screen Time. Scroll down and tap Content and Privacy. Turn this off. Solution 3. Try to reset your customized setting. Go back and scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer and Reset. Tap Reset. Tap Reset All Settings and enter your passcode. Tap Reset All Settings again now. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.